What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a oil filter wrench. Got this from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. And I want to test this out. Hopefully it's better than the old school one that I have. I have an old school one, the one with the 2 prongs or the 4 prongs. And, you open it up and try to grip the filter, but it don't work. Like, it takes a while to grip the filter for me. So I'm going to use this one for the time being. And right here, there goes the brand right there. I'm going to do an oil change in my, my Toyota and the Dodge Avenger. 2006 Toyota Camry and then the 2010 Dodge Avenger. Have these springs right here. So as soon as you turn it, the mechanism comes out, and that's as far as it comes. And then closes. Now right here, I have a big filter. I actually bought this by accident, you guys. I was supposed to get pH2 a little while ago, like maybe almost a year. So I always have, it's nothing I can do with this and I just don't want to throw it away. I might post it for sale, but I don't know. We'll see how it works. But let's test this out real quick and see how far this thing opens. Okay, so when it opens, okay, it can lock. So let's see. Oh, almost. So it don't make it for this pH 5. All right, let me test out a different one. I got a ST5 over there. It might be the same thing, but just gonna test it out. This is for something big. All right, and of course it will fit this. This is for my Toyota, so definitely will fit that. I just wanted to test to see if it fits a smaller one. Here is another one that I grabbed by accident. So this is a ST5. I was supposed to get a ST2. And again, these haven't been used. Might post it for sale, don't know. Or I might just keep it here to do tests like this. I never thought about it, right? So I have this all the way open right now, and it don't fit the ST2, okay? ST5. ST2 is for my my Ford Expedition, and I will go under the Ford Expedition just to see if it will fit so I can let y'all know. But for the most part, for as far as my Camry goes, it will fit that. So I'm gonna change my Camry, my Dodge Avenger, and then I will head to the Ford. Even though I don't have no oil for the Ford yet, I will go under the Ford just to see if it fits a whatever's in the Ford. I think the Ford is a PH2 and then a ST2 for my Expedition 2007, I believe. All right, so it grips pretty good, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. This has a nice grip. This is better than what I was using. All right. So you open it. When you open it, you get onto your filter and then twist, and then you twist it off, right? Well, this is righty tighty, all right? You need to twist the other way, and it does go the other way. For lefty loosey, when you turn it right, it opens, but you got to turn it right again to lock it, and then it twists right. So let me show y'all on the wrench real quick, or socket. I believe it's a 1/2 inch. Let me see. Yep. Need my 1/2 inch, which is better for me because I like using this one instead. All right, press this in, and all right now I already got it going on. Right now, if I want to go off, you see how it opens up. Once it opens, it locks. You want to go again to close it in, and then you can loosen it. All right. So this, I actually like this, you guys. This is probably the best thing ever, okay? And then it has the teeth on the inside. The only thing is for the bigger filters, unfortunately, it just won't fit the bigger filters. Let me get a measurement for y'all so y'all can see the actual opening. All right, you guys, and the actual opening is a little bit less than 3 inches. 2 3/4 will be like very perfect, but yeah. So y'all see right there, right there. So we just opened it up, and I'm going here to the filter. So I'm pushing onto the filter, and now I'm twisting. And now I'm twisting for it to come off. Nice and easy. Now I'm gonna move y'all so no oil will drip down. So, all right, you guys. So I already took the old gasket out. And I got oil on my floor. This was awesome, man. I have to say that this is one of the best oil wrenches ever. Okay, this is one of the best. I might look into getting another one of these. This is pretty cool. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.